I am Rajeshri Venkatramanan. I am taking shortened class in YouTube. Okay, now today we can write 20 words. Are you ready? Take your book and pencil. Don't forget to share, subscribe. You will be probably. You will be probably. Remember, grammar log. That also grammar log. At the last, still up. At the last meeting. Emhard dotting. Carefully note. Emhard dotting. Meeting. We drew your special attention. Circles P T. Special attention to a very we are hook. Substantial. Circles B T N. Substantial increase in the volume VLM volume of the business B circles NS done D and hook done by the company during the last 2 years. During the last 2 years. Still up. We are therefore. W means please used here. Therefore, pleased. PL hook. Still up. Pleased. To tell you that. To tell you that the business B circles. Business continues. Business here. This is also right. This is also right. Both of them are same. B circles or B circles NS. Business continues. Con dot N U S. This is con dot. U diphthong. Continues. Continues to show. Ish. O. Satisfactory. To show. Satisfactory. Circles T. Ray. Satisfactory. Progress. PR. Ger. Circles. Progress. E1. N hook through the line. We N hook through the line. E1. In this. And this. In this. In these difficult time. Difficult time. Okay. Study well. I read, you will probably remember that at the last meeting we drew your special attention to a very substantial increase in the volume of the business done by the company during the last 2 years. We are therefore pleased to tell you that the business continues to show satisfactory progress even in this difficult time. Practice 15 or 20 times.